Okay, quickly gonna show you how to replace the switch. So first I'll remove the 4 screws that hold the car at the back. Just like so. So the switch would be located right here. So basically what you need to do, you need to press on those little nudges here, like so. Then you should be able to push the switch through. Sometimes they can get a little bit tricky, so what I usually do is just push one corner out, and then you can grab a flathead and just gently push it out against the control box. Then fit the cables through, grab your replacement switch, and you should be able to see numbers. Probably zoom in for this. So you can see the numbers here. So 1A, 1 and 1B, and there should be 2A, 2 and no 2B, 2 and 2A on the other side. You should be able to see that. Okay. Focus back. So those numbers correspond to the numbers that are located on the side here on the switch. So quite straightforward, just grab one connection at a time, just wheel it out and connect it to the corresponding end on the switch. And the last one. Just like so. Now all you need to do is just push the switch back in. So apply a little bit of pressure here on those nudges. Push it back in.